Ollama is a tool that allows you to run LLMs locally on your own machine, aka your laptop or desktop, or whatever home-built device you want to run these models on. Yes, while Llama ecosystem models tend not to be as large as, say, frontier models like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 Sonnet, you'll be surprised to hear that for many use cases, they are actually on par due to how much data these Llama models have been trained on. The real benefit of using these Llama models, however, has nothing to do with benchmarks, but has more to do with the fact that you can audit with 100% certainty that the model weights are not changing and that your interactions with them are kept completely private. To download and install Ollama, come over to ollama.com, click the download button, and download the appropriate version for your OS. For me, this is macOS. From this point forward, I'm just going to show you how I did this on my Mac. So I clicked the download for macOS button, and it downloaded this zip file. So after you have that downloaded, you unzip the zip file and drag the resulting application into your applications folder. Then you launch the Ollama application and accept all of the permission dialogues. And then you'll be presented with this little wizard. Click next, click install. I have to put in my account password and click finish, and that's it. Also note how we can start and stop Ollama via this llama icon in the menu bar. To start Ollama, you launch it just like you would launch any other application. When Ollama is running, you should see this little llama icon in your menu bar. As Ollama is a command line tool, you'll need to pop open a shell to use it. Here's an overview of some of Ollama's commands. In regards to the model IDs, I personally love this table on the Ollama GitHub repo that shows some of the more used models that people like to run, along with their IDs. To keep things light, we will run one of the smallest models that Ollama offers, that being Llama 3.2 1B Instruct FP16. The 3.2 tells us the family of models it was released with. The 1B tells us the amount of parameters that the model has. The Instruct tells us that the model was fine-tuned for performing instructions. And the FP16 does get a bit technical, but tells us that when the model generates text, the internal calculations are performed using numbers with up to 4 decimal places. To use a particular model with Ollama, enter the Ollama run command followed by the model's ID. Ollama supports interactive sessions with the models you run, and also in the background serves an API. There are other ways to use Ollama, so feel free to experiment, but hopefully this gives you a great gist of how it works.